Now question number 5. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, 17 and 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So now this is the triangle. We can say that this is the one side, which is 12x. This is the other side. We presume that it is 17x centimeter, and this is the third side, which is 25x centimeter. These are the three sides of the triangle. So what is the value of A? We can say that the length of side A or one side is 12x. What is the length of second side B? It is 17x. What is the value of C? That is the length of side third side. It is 25x. Now what is the perimeter which has been given to us in this question is 540 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the total of length of all the three sides. That is, if we total the length of this side, this and this side, all the three sides, total length of all the three sides is known as perimeter. In other words, we can say that perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, total of all the three sides. So if we fill in the values of perimeter, it is 540. What is the value of A? It is 12x, which we have presumed. Value of B 17x, value of C 25x. If we total all these three sides, then it will become 54x. Then the value of x is equal to 540 divided by 54, and this is value of x is 10 centimeter. In other words, we can say that the value of A is equal to 12x is equal to 120 centimeter. Value of B is equal to 17x is equal to 170 centimeter, because we have fill in the value of x. What is the value of C? It is 25x. It is 250 centimeter. So now we have to find the value of area of triangle. We can calculate the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Heron's formula says that the area of triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is s? S means semi perimeter. What is the meaning of semi perimeter? Semi perimeter means half of perimeter. Perimeter divided by 2. If we divide perimeter 540 by 2, it will come as 270 centimeter. So we have find out the value of semi perimeter. So now all these values, whether it is S, A, B or C, all the values are before us. We will fill in the relevant values in the Heron's formula. So now we will again write it formula. S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So what is the value of semi perimeter? It is 270. 270 minus A. What is the value of A? A is 120. What is the value of H? 270. What is the value of B? Value of B is 170. And what is the value of C? It is 250. We will solve it. 270 multiplied by, it will come as 150. It will come as 100. It will come as 20. We can also write it as 27 into 10, 15 into 10, 10 into 10, 10 into 2. These are the two pairs. One pair 10 square. This is the another pair. Okay. Then what are the balance? 27, 15, 10 and 2. We can also write it as, we will do prime factorization of this. We can also do prime factorization from this portion, but it will become very lengthy. So we have chosen to do prime factorization from this point. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is the process of finding out the prime numbers which when multiplied will give the original number. What is the prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 1 or by the number itself. For the purpose of clarification, we will tell you that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are some examples and so on. These are some examples of prime numbers which can be divided by 1 only and by the number itself. And when they are multiplied, they will give rise to the original number. So we will do the prime factorization of 27. It can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. We can write 15 as 5 into 3. 10 can be written as 5 into 2, then 2. This is 10 square, 10 square. This is 3 square. This is 3 square. This is 5 square. This is the 2 square. So now what is, we will bring out now these numbers which are squares out of the purview of under root. 10 into 10 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. This will 9,000 square centimeter. This is the area of triangle. We can also tell you that we can do prime factorization from this process only, this side. How we will do it? Just for the purpose of clarification, we can write it as 10 into 27. We can again 2 into 5. 27 can be divided into 9 into 3. This can be 3 into 3. Now we will multiply all these items 2, 5, 3, 3, 3. We can here, from here we can write it as 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is, we will take these items. This is up to you whether you want to adopt this or you can do this. This has been done only for with the purpose that there is easy in calculation and the numbers do not become lengthy. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.